Hi! In our daily life, organizing things in proper order help us to manage our life better. In the same way, in computer also, we have to manage files and folders in proper manner. Arranging files and folders in the computer is called file management. Let us learn file management in today's session. Let's learn managing files and folders. First, let us learn what is a file. File is a group of data stored with a particular name. That may be your friends' names and phone numbers. You are collecting 5 of your friends' names and phone numbers, and you are storing it in computer with a particular file name. That is a file. Or your mark list. We teachers are keeping a mark list for report card. That also is a file. Or your mama is storing your timetable in the computer. That also is a file. So file is a stack of data stored in the computer, and we must know how to manage these files and folders. At home, we all are keeping everything in a proper place. You are keeping your ID card in a particular place, your belt in a particular place, your shoes and socks, everything you are arranging in a particular place so that it will be easy to access that next day. Those who are not arranging that properly, it will be difficult for them to find it out. Same way, in the computer also, we must arrange files in a proper way. Then it will be easy to access, retrieve that files from the computer. For that, you might have noticed your senior brothers or sisters, those who are using paper notes. They are carrying a folder along with that. They are carrying a folder. That file, you are calling that as file, and that folder consists of different compartments. In each compartment, they will label physics, chemistry, biology, maths, like that, and they will keep that notes in that particular compartment, partition. Then it will be easy for them to take that notes from that folder. Same way, here folder is a place in the computer memory where we can store these files. Again, one more example. You have notebooks and textbooks, and in your school bag you are keeping that notebooks according to the timetable. You are keeping that notebooks and textbooks in a particular section of your school bag, and there will be another section for keeping your lunch box and snack box. Also, at the outside of the bag, it consists of a place for keeping your water bottle and your pencil box. So everything is separated. So it will be easy for you to take the things from the bag easily. Also, come to your classroom. There you can see cupboards, and in the cupboards everywhere you can see that labels: computer, maths, Malayalam, science, like that. In that section you are storing your notebooks or TP books. So it will be easy for you to take that book according to your period. In the same way, in computer we can divide storage space into different folders. So it will be easy to take things from that folder. Folder is a storage place in the computer, whereas file is a group of data with a particular file name. So here you can see that these all are files. Here this one is file, this one is a file, this is a file, this is a file, this is a file. What did you notice here? This one is different from this one, and it is different from this one. So a particular software stores its file in particular icon. See, this icon is different from this icon, and this is different from this one. So this is Word file. From the icon itself we can understand this is a Word file and this is a Paint file. This is PDF file. So we can easily find out files looking into the icons. So here what about this one? This is a folder. So it is, we can store different files in this particular folder. Now let's learn how to create a file. So for that you have to open Word and it will open blank document. Click on the blank document, then you will get a blank Word file. Here you can type your text. Here you can type. Here I am typing welcome, and after finishing your typing I am increasing the font size, giving the color and changing the font to some other color, some other font. So I am taking this one, I am aligning that to the center, little more bigger. So after completing your work you can save your file. For saving the file, all of you know how to save the file. So here you can click on the File tab. Click on the File tab. Then from the menu you have to select. First time when you are saving a file, you have to click on the Save As option. Or if you press the Save button, then it will create display that Save As dialog box. Let us see that. Click on the Save button. This is the Save As dialog box. Here you have to select the location, place where you want to save your file. Here I am saving the file in the desktop. So click on that. Then another window will appear. Here you can see the file name box. There you have to give the file name test and click on the save. So that file will be saved in the desktop with the name test. Let us see here. This is the Word file that we have created just now. Also we can say using the Save As also we can create the Word file. So let's see that. Again I am opening that and typing again testing Save As. So testing Save As. This is the file for testing Save As. Save As. Okay. No need of space there. So testing Save As. Here also no need of space. Now I'll give that, click on the File tab and click on the Save As option. Then Save As dialog box will appear. So you have to select from here, you have to select the location, desktop, any location you can select. If you want to select Windows C, you can select from here also, you can select the location. If you want to select in another hard disk, you can select that. Now I am selecting that desktop and give the file name as testing Save As. Save, click on Save in the desktop. Now you can see this file. See here, this is the Word file just now we have created, testing Save As. And after typing again, if you are typing something like this, this is to test Save As and save. This is to test Save As option. I am typing that and Now you no need to click on the save as button second time. Just press the save button. Then this will be added to the existing file. Let us check. Here you can check that already that line already added to this existing file. Again, there is shortcut key for the save option. So again, I am changing some changes I am making here. I am giving some color to this red color I am giving, and I am giving another font to that one. Okay, this font I am giving. So now you no need to go to the file tab and select save. Instead of that, you can use the shortcut key. Shortcut key for save is Control and S button. Press the control button, hold down the control button and on the keyboard and press S. Now this file is saved. Let us check once more. Open that. You can see that file with the corrections. We have given red color and changed the font. So that file has been saved into this testing save as file. So this way you can create a file and save a file. Okay. We can also create a file directly from the desktop. So for that, right click on a blank area. Blank area means where there is nothing. So right click on a blank area, click on the new option, and from the new option you can see another menu will appear. From that options you can see different softwares, Word document, Access database, Photoshop. From the which software you want to use, click on that. Here I am clicking on the text document. So notepad file will get open. So click on that. This is the icon of that notepad file. Here you can give the name. So here I am giving test, the simple test 1 I am giving. Now you can open that file. Type testing notepad. Okay. So now you now need to give the file name and all. We have already given the file name when we created that. So you can just press save button. It will save, or you can use the shortcut key. Here I am pressing the save button. Save. Now you can close and you can open that and check testing notepad. It has been appeared in the file. So you can close. Now let's learn how to create a folder. How you can create a new folder in the desktop. Anywhere you can create folder. Now I am going to show that how to create a new folder in the desktop. So for that, same way, right click the mouse button on the blank area of the desktop. Then again go to the option new. Then from the menu select folder option. This is the folder option. Click on the folder. Now you will get a icon with the new folder. There you can give the name. Any name you can give. My book. I am giving the name my book. So this is a folder, and this folder icon is different from this file icon. And inside this folder you can keep your files. Whatever files you have created now, you can just drag and drop. See, first let me check the folder now. Nothing is there inside the folder. I will open the folder. There you can't see anything. No files are there included. Now let's drop this file to just drag and drop. Then you can open that folder. Now you can see that file has been appeared in the folder. This is one file. Like this you can drag all your files inside the folder. Like this, you can drag your files into the folder. Clear. Now I will show you how to save a file into your folder. That's not there in the textbook. Just for your information, how to save a file in the folder. So for that, first create a Word file. Open that Word file, blank document. And here you can type my book file 1. Here how you can save the file into your folder. So for that, click on the File tab. Select Save As option. First time when you are saving a file, you have to select Save As option. Save As dialog box will appear. From there, you have to select the location where your folder is. So here I am selecting desktop. Now you can see the files and folders in the location desktop. Here you can see this is your folder. Just click on that. Now you can go to the button open button. Click on the open button. Now check here. Now you can see your folder name has been appeared here in the address. Now you can give a file name. Here file 1. I am giving file 1. File 1. Okay, save your file. Like this, you can save the file in your folder. Now just open that file and folder and check your file has been appeared here in the folder. Now you know how to open the folder, but it is there in the textbooks. That's why let us learn how to open a folder. So to open a folder, two methods are there, either by just double clicking as we did now, or right click on the folder and click on the open option. Your folder get opened now and you can see the files inside that folder. This is the one method you can follow, or you can double click and open the folder. Then also that folder will get opened. How to select a folder? To select a folder, you have to point your mouse pointer to that folder and just click on that. Now you can see a color change to that icon. So it is different from this one. It is highlighted and you can see a small tick mark inside a box on the left top of that icon. Can you see that here? That means that icon, that folder gets selected. Like this, you can select the folder. Now let's learn how to open a file inside the folder. So for that, you have to open the folder. By using any method, you can open the folder either by double clicking the folder or by right clicking and clicking on the open option. I am using that. Now you can point your mouse pointer to the file which one you want to open. Here I want to open this file 1. So I am pointing my mouse pointer to that file 1. Just click. Now that file gets selected. And here also you can open the file by using two methods. Right click, then open, click on open. That file has been opened. Another method is you can select that file and double click. Just double click on that. Again, that file has been opened. Or you are small kids, sometimes you may not be able to double click on the mouse. So that time you can select the file like this. Now it has been selected and press enter key from the keyboard. Then also you will get that file open. So there are different methods to open a file or a folder. Is it clear? Now let's learn how to close a file. For that I am opening this file 1. And to close a file, you can use two methods. First one is just go to the file tab and click on the close button. The file will get closed. And this is the word window that will remain there. And I have explained that difference between close and exit. Close, it will close only that file, open file. When you are using exit option, that window will remain there. Exit will close the window, word window or paint window. That window completely will close using the exit option, whereas close option close only that file, only one document. So by using the file tab close option, you can close a file. Again, if you want to close this one, I have appended, adding some more lines here. Welcome to class 3 file management session. File management section. I have appended all this. Either by using this one, we can close the file. Just click on that. Now we have added this one to the existing file. So, or if it is a new file, then also if you didn't save the file, then this dialog box will appear with three options. What are the three options? Save, don't save, and cancel. If you want to save your file, you can click on the save button. Or if you don't want to save, already I have typed this to welcome to class 3 file management just now. If you don't want to add that to your file, then you can click on the don't save option. Clear? So if you don't want to save that file, you can just click on the don't save button. Or if you want to go back to the Word file again, that file, then you can click on the cancel button. Now I am clicking on the cancel button, then it will take us to the back to the Word file. Again we can close the file. If I am clicking on the don't save option, what will happen? Let us check. I am clicking here don't save. And now you open that file, second file, just open. I am opening that to that sentence we have added welcome to class 3 file management session. That has not been appeared here in that file because we have given don't save option. Once more, let us type welcome to class 3 file management session. File management session. Now let's close either by using this one method or by using this close button. Here now I am using this file close option. Again that three tabs has been appeared. Now I am giving the option button save. Click on the save and close this window. Open that file. Now what you can see here, that sentence to welcome to class 3 file manager, that also has been appended to the existing file. So that is how to close a file. Now let's see how to close a folder. We have learned how to close a file. Now let us see how to close a folder. So for that, open the folder. This is the folder, my book name you can see here. This is your folder, and in the textbook it has been written that click on the organize button, but it is the latest version I am using now. Here you have to click in the file. Again click on the file tab. Those who are using the older versions, you can see that organize button as in the textbook. You can click on the organize button. Here I am clicking on the file tab. Click on the file tab. Then you can see the close option. Click on the close button option here. Then that folder will get closed. Clear? Once more, open that folder, go to the File tab, click on the Close option, or here you can click on the Close button from the top right corner of the window. Then that folder will get closed. Clear? So we have learned file management, how to manage your files and folders in the computer. What is file and what is folder? Okay. And what is data? That all of you know. Data is information like your name, your admission number, your roll number, your mark. All these comes under data. We are arranging that together, then it will form a file. When we save that file data with a file name, that will become a file. When we are keeping that inside a folder like this, you are putting that into a folder, then that is a storage place. Folder is a storage place inside the computer. We can store, and it will be easy. You can create different folder. Inside the folder you can create another folder. So this is my book. This is your folder. Inside that folder, again you can click inside the folder at a blank place. You can click on the new button. Then you can create a folder. See here, inside that my book folder you have created, inside that my book folder you have created another folder, pictures. For pictures you can give name for that folder. I am giving pictures. See, so if you are drawing any picture using paint, you can store that in your folder. So it will be easy to take that pictures files from your folder. So inside the folder also you can create folder. As in the cupboard you can see different, inside the cupboard you can see small shelves inside the cupboard. Like that same way you can create folders inside the folder also. Is it clear? All of you please do the practicals at home. Take your computer and watch the video again 2-3 times. Watch the video and do the practicals at home. Okay. By this, let us wind up the session for today. For the exam, chapter 3 and 9 will be there. All of you please read the textbook and prepare for the inside question also. I will upload the question answers in the ACMS, and we will discuss the question answers during the live session also. So before that, all of you please watch the video and read the textbook. Thank you.